Hey everyone, today I'm checking out this really awesome dash camera. This is going to help you just drive safer and record everything that happens while you are on the road. So there's a few features that I want to point out about this dash camera. First of all, I love the nice small size. So this is a great dash cam if you want to have something nice and small, not too clunky, not too big. So it does plug in right here on the side. And it also has a slot right here for a gigabyte card. So that's where you're going to put your SD card. That is going to record everything that you need. I like that the design also twists and turns. So this is going to be the camera. So you're just going to take this off before we record. And that is the camera itself. So this is the part that's going to connect to your dashboard. And this is the camera. It has really easy installation. All your display is going to be right here, all that information. And you can just twist this and turn it to get the exact right angle that you need. So this camera does just record to an SD card. So you are going to need one of those, but it does record up to 128 gigabytes on that SD card. So it does come with an SD card, I believe. We'll take a look in this packet, but if not, you can just grab one at the store. They're pretty cheap and easy to use and easy to get. So here is a cigarette lighter. This is going to just connect right to your car. So you just plug that in, and it comes with a really nice long cord, so you can easily run the cord all the way around your car and get that nice and safe and installed so that the cords aren't hanging down. It does come with these little clips too, so you can clip the cord up and all the way around. And it does come with this tool if you want to tuck that cord actually in between your glass, in between your mirror, and get it really nice and secure. Here is a sticker for your mounting hardware. It has a sticker as well, so there's just a backup one if you need it. And it does come with a user manual with all the information that you need to use your dash cam. So you can see right here, it does have color. It also does record in night vision, so that's really nice feature because it's going to make sure that you see everything in the day and in the night. And here are also two just protectors. So this is actually going to all right, so once you get your camera set up, actually it does not come with that SD card. You are going to need to grab an SD card, but you can get one easily online. They're everywhere. They're not very much. You need a micro SD card, which is what is going to fit into this slot. So you might need an adapter to use for your computer, which it shows you right here in the directions. You just get that SD card adapter, and that's going to slide into your computer. You can also use a USB adapter, and that will work as well to get all those stored videos into your computer so you can see them. This camera does work in loop recording, which means that it is just going to constantly keep recording over old videos. So unless you want to save and lock a video, it's just going to keep recording. So it will lock videos if you use the voice control. This camera does have voice control. So you can just say lock video, or you can say take picture, and it's going to snap a picture and it's going to lock that video. Say you're in an accident, you just say you lock video. That video will not be deleted. Otherwise, it does have loop recording that's just going to keep constantly recording again and again, which helps prevent you from running out of memory, needing extra cards. And I like that feature because you don't have to worry about it. If you do want to lock the video, it will just lock it. It also has something called G sensor, which is also used for a 24-hour parking mode. So 24-hour parking mode, it's going to just keep recording. If it's bumped, even if the car is not on, it is going to turn on. Also, I just want to show you, this is a button right here on the end there. That's going to help you as well. But if your car is bumped, it's going to just automatically lock the video. So if it senses something, that is going to be completely captured, and that video will not be deleted. It won't be looped over with that loop recording. I like that parking mode, that it's going to keep your car safe even if it's just parked in a parking lot for 24 hours. Just so many different little features from this nice small camera. So let's go ahead and give it a try.
Was halfway to work when she realized she had screwed up her schedule. It was the day after Thanksgiving, and she wasn't due at the store for another hour. Just as well, she thought, as she needed the time to cool off. Her only regret was that she hadn't brought a book along. It would have been a great escape to sit in her car and get lost in a romance novel. She parked her car in one of the employee spaces and texted Monica, asking if she was up. As she waited for a response, Laurel put down the phone and turned up the radio.
All right, so here is what the camera looks like. I did also just want to point out that it does have Wi-Fi. So there's the Wi-Fi button. You can turn it on and off. That's the button right on the side. So it is just ready to go. It shows right on the screen the time. It shows how long it's been recording. And it does show that the Wi-Fi is on right there, and it has the voice activation on. And it also shows that it has no SD card right now. We're just going to go ahead and use the app for the real time, but you can do the SD card. It is plugged in, and I'm going to actually just mount it right here, and then you can just twist the camera to point forward. So I'm going to do that and check out the video while we're driving. So here is a live view of a recording while I was driving. So you can see that the timestamp and date is right at the bottom, which is really convenient and nice so you can keep track of everything. This is on a loop recording, so it recorded for 1 minute and then it broke that into smaller videos. So they were 1 minute segments. You can change that if you'd like. It does work with an app. I did not end up downloading the app, but you can use that as well. I just used an SD card and it recorded right onto the SD card. For more storage, you can get a bigger SD card, which is really nice, especially if you're a commercial driver and you want to use this camera to make sure that you have all your commercial driving records ready to go. So very easy to set up. Love how simple it was. It was nice and easy to use. I would definitely recommend it.